Guys, I'm gonna be making a YouTube video of my new fidget spinner. My Diana, you don't know her, but she just bought this for me. And spin. It's going fast. So it's the milk and fog. It's new. I got it just now. And you see the covers of it. The reason I have this one is because my other one broke, and my other one again. So I have this one. You can see. So it's spinning. So this is my new fidget spinner. So that's gonna be the end of the video. So bye.